Hello everyone, how are you? Thank you for joining me. You are welcome to ICT class, and our topic for today is computer system. So let's look at our learning objective for today. We have four. The first one, what is computer system? The second one, state component of computer system. The third, explain the term hardware, software, and peopleware. And four, why is a human being part of computer system? So let's quickly look at the definition of computer system. I believe this definition is not new to you. So what is computer system? We can say computer system is an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, and brings out information. I take that again. Computer system is an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, and brings out information. If you look at the definition, there are four key things in the definition. First, computer system is an electronic device. Second, it accepts data. Third, it processes the data. And the fourth is it brings out information. The process is very simple from the definition. Like for example, if you have to cook maybe indomie or rice, there is a process you need to undergo before you can get the food that you can eat. That's the same way the computer accepts data, processes the data, and brings out information. Now let's look at the picture of a computer system. As you can see, this is a computer system. And why do we call it computer system? Is because all the parts must work together to get a result. Like for example, look at the computer. If there is no monitor there, will you see what you are doing? No, it's not possible. So that's why we call it computer system. Now, friends, let's look at component of computer system. We have three major components of computer system. The first one, hardware. The second one, software. And the third, peopleware. So we are going to take it one after the other. So, what is computer hardware? Hardware is the physical part of a computer, which comprises of input, output, processing, and storage device. Now, at times we can say hardware is the physical part of the computer that we can see, touch, and carry. Is because when you say the hardware, you can touch, like a monitor, the system unit, the mouse, the keyboard, you can touch it. So that's why we call it physical part of the computer. But majorly, hardware comprises of input, output, processing, and storage devices. Now let's look at the picture. As you can see, these are the common computer hardware. As you can see, we have the speakers, the monitor, the system unit, the keyboard, and the mouse. So the other things you are seeing from the hardware are the internal parts of the system unit. Now let's look at software. Computer software. These are the instructions that direct the hardware about what to do and how to do it. What do we mean by this? For example, the reason why you can see me through the hardware, which is your phone or computer, is because of the software. Let's say there is no software. Will you hear me talking? Will you see me on your screen? Can you watch me? It's not possible. So even the software you are using to watch the video or the Google Classroom is also a software. So that is why we need the software to tell the hardware what to do and how to do it. Now the next thing is peopleware. These are people who use the computer. They are made up of computer user and computer professional. For example, peopleware are the people that use the computer. That is, a group of people using computer are called peopleware, while an individual using the computer is called humanware. So for example, I'm the only one using my computer now. you can call me humanware. While when you see just like these people in this picture, they are called peopleware because they are a group of people using the computer. So when you see students in the computer lab or in cyber cafe using the computer, you can call them peopleware. But if you are alone in the computer lab, you can call yourself, or another person coming in can call you humanware. Now let's look at the last thing under this topic. Why is human being part of the computer system? Computer cannot perform any work without a human being operating it. That is, without it touching it, it will not work. Like for example, if you want to on your television at home or even your computer, you need to touch the button before it on. And after that, you need to press maybe your keyboard or move your mouse before you can perform any work. So it means computers without human working with it is useless. So that is why we're also part of the computer. I believe you enjoyed the lesson. So one thing to go on with is computer system is an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, and brings out information. And there are three key major components of computer system: hardware, software, and peopleware. So, and I believe now you now know why human being is also part of the computer system. So thank you for listening.